Hi, random question. How do you know when it's safe to scan a QR code? Imagine this. You're out running errands and you see a sign that says, "Win a free cup of coffee, register to win," and there's a QR code. Assuming you love coffee, you scan the code and move on with your life. The next day, you wake up, you find that your bank account has been cleared and you still didn't win that free cup of coffee because it was a scam. This scenario actually happened to a woman who lost $20,000 through this scam. So it got me thinking, how do you know when it's safe to scan a QR code? 1, scan from reputable sources only. 2, maybe don't provide banking details or other financial information out of context. And 3, if you have to download an app, make sure it has a function like maybe ordering food rather than just collecting your details. Stay safe out there and enjoy the coffee.